Cyrus Dobre is an American YouTuber. He is best known for becoming a participant of the YouTube account Dobre Brothers, where he and his three siblings broadcast vlogs twice per week. Cyrus began uploading videos to the Vine Cup app, which included vlogs, challenges, acrobatics, tricks, skits, and much more. Cyrus Dobre graduated from South Hagerstown High School in Maryland, United States. In June 2020, he co-wrote and performed the song Going Up with Tory Lanez, a Canadian artist, lyricist, record executive, and vocalist. The Dobre Brothers YouTube page, which he and his siblings run, was being shortlisted for the Streamy Awards in the area of Breakout Creator. The brothers upload a range of videos including funny pranks, challenges, and personal vlogs. Cyrus is the oldest of the four Dobre brothers and is considered the most responsible one among the boys. He is well recognized for his roles in the films Dharman and Lily Pons and Hannah Stocking. He made his acting debut in 2017. Cyrus Dobre's parents are Boz Moffitt and Aurelia Dobre. Cyrus Dobre's father's name is Boz Moffitt, who is an entrepreneur by profession. Cyrus Dobre's mother's name is Aurelia Dobre, who is an Olympic gymnast by profession. Cyrus has three brothers and sisters, Marcus, Lucas, and Darius. His three younger siblings are all YouTube stars. Cyrus Dobre's marital status is divorced. Currently, he is engaged with Brenda Sparanaka. From the very beginning of his childhood days, Cyrus was great at singing and never used to miss any singing competitions. Cyrus was married to Christina Cave, a fellow YouTuber, but later in August 2019, the couple got divorced. Cyrus and his ex-wife Christina had a YouTube channel together named Cyrus and Christina. After the divorce, Christina took up the YouTube channel and named it